Hi everyone, this is Grant Bynum, and I'm with Uptown 101. We're at the Hanover Autry Park. Hey, my number is below. If you have questions at any time about what you're seeing, send me a text and we'll chat. Okay, now let's go look at the balcony. The balcony is here for the Hanover Autry Park for their 2-bedroom. It's simply huge. Wow, it's really, really big. You could fit easily a big table and probably 6 chairs. And then, so the balcony itself is nice, but I want to talk about the area too. So it's a little overcast today. Don't even worry about that because you're in a fantastic area and there's so much here to walk to. So the Autry Park is this over here. It's really cool. It's got these 2 circular, I would call them pods. They're glass most of the way around. And there's actually a shop and a restaurant. That's a restaurant that has ceviche and seafood. This Autry Park area is really nice. This is more of a commercial building, and then you've got the sister property of the Hanover right over there, and then you're really near the trails. So look at the trails; they're right here. You can just walk from the Hanover Autry Park and go right on those trails that are right over there. And I love that feature. Trails are really predominant throughout, especially North Houston, and they go all the way from downtown all the way to here to Memorial Park. So anyway, it's a fantastic area to be. This is a safe area also, and it'd be just a pleasant area to relocate and to enjoy. Hey, let's now go and let's explore the bedrooms of the 2-bedroom at the Hanover Autry Park.